Hello friends, today I will show you how to make fireworks in Minecraft. These are the materials you need. You need a lot of gunpowders. Pick any color dye you want. These items will help you customize your rocket effect. These are the standard rocket you use for flying. You can upgrade them like this to increase their flight duration. Grab all your materials. Craft some firework stars like this. Use all the different materials. Use any color dye you want for each. Now craft rockets with the firework stars like this. These rocket displays different things when used. Thanks for watching.